Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over a little bit about talking to a customer and how to lock up a deal and maybe sell them a little bit more. I want to talk about all these little small tips that I've been working through. I just recently experienced with a couple of them and how it actually ended up working, and I want to share exactly how I did it with you. Let's go ahead and hop into this video. Let's do it. Okay, I want to show you this really sick flip that I just recently did. So I was scrolling on OfferUp just to see the products that I could flip. I ended up stumbling across the most golden looking product there could possibly imagine. I knew that I could have hopped on this deal because it was only selling for 80 bucks. I knew I had to hop on. I made the offer. Obviously, I'm going to talk them down a little bit, so I offered a $50 right off the bat. But I ended up locking the deal up for 60 bucks. I told her that I can be there by tonight. She said if I was okay with Venmo, and yeah, here it is.
808s held down like a paperweight. She just wanna come around, but I made a way. Want my money needed now on a paper chase. Make the bass blow out with the 808s, out with the 808s.
What's up guys, we're just purchasing this TV. We're up in the elevator right now. Go right, that way. We go right.
The door's out there.
Where? Alright, well the TV's in, guys. That took so much work. I have two TVs right now. I don't think this is gonna fit in there, man. Alright, so we got everything to fit. Good job. Popped off. Alright, so we just bought this TV because the lady was moving. Watch your head, man. The lady was moving, so she's just trying to get rid of stuff fast. Sorry you can't see me. Super good deal. But yeah, 60 bucks, and I think I can get like maybe 200. I'm happy with the 50% margin, which would be 120. So we'll see when we get back to the studio. Okay, so now since we're back up in the studio, I want to show you exactly how I was able to lock up that deal, how like it started, and then like how I finished it. I want to show you the basics of like exactly how to like do what I just did right there. I actually ended up selling that deal for $180. Obviously I bought it for 60 bucks and I sold it for 180, so that's $120 profit, baby. So I'm going to give you 3 simple steps of exactly what to do when you're going to flip an item, okay? Okay, so step number 1 is you're going to want to look for the flip. So I get a lot of people that ask me, like, how do you spot the good deal? So it's important to look up the product, brand new and used. Another thing is that look at the model number. If it has a model number on the product, make sure you're looking at that as well. Okay, so step number 2. You want to be able to make a nice listing. So say that you bought the product. It's important to take nice pictures, make it look professional. You don't need no fancy camera, but take it on your iPhone and just take nice pictures because it'll sell faster, I promise. And it's also important to make sure that the title is catchy. You want people clicking on your listing because if they don't, that means you're not going to get as many eyes, which means that the conversion rate of somebody buying it is going to be way lower. So yeah, that's important. Step number 3 is just sell. After you've done that, just sell the product. So if you do these 3 steps, you will literally do exactly what I just did, and you will make your first flip, and I promise it'll work. And it has for me over and over and over, and these are the 3 simple things that I use. If you can just follow these 3 basic things, I'm definitely sure that you guys will figure it out yourselves, and it's better if you do because then you will learn it for yourselves, and then you will never forget it. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and tuning in with me. I hope you learned a ton from this one. Make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like and comment if you have any questions or anything. Yeah, feel free to ask in the comments, and I'll be gladly to respond to you. So, peace out, guys.